When you play against Wigan, Eberechieze was giving people, he was doing charity work against Wigan. He was saying, take and score. You take and score. You take and score. But when it comes to Tottenham, Eberechieze say, leave Tottenham for me. I know how to handle them. Leave Tottenham for me. I know how to handle them. And today, with what I have seen in Eberechieze, he has improved in returning, in marking the ball, in winning balls. He has improved. I love the changes Arteta made. Bringing Martinelli second half. Martinelli was chasing them. Martinelli was breathing down their neck. Hincapié was chasing them. See, this is the Arsenal I want to see. This is the Arsenal I want to see. That the players that played against Wolves, that is not Arsenal. That was not Arsenal. This is the Arsenal I know.